Hey guys, this is ABC here with the second video of the Florida Paradise update with my puppy Ashley, of course. Look at her. So yeah, I went to the beach today, stuff like that. We rode on some waves and stuff. And then we went to the pool here in Alice Beach. And tonight we're going to a bonfire on the beach. It should be pretty fun.
You hear what I'm saying? You hear me? Okay, cool.
So my brother's with my dog. Dad's over there. Aww. Okay. So yeah, all day I've been just riding my bike around, beach, pool, my sister. I guess she's tired. Aww. Look at her.
She's playing. She's playing! Yeah, she is!
Oh, look at her. So in case you guys didn't see the last video, her name is Ashley. So cute. Not the Ashley that I record with. I don't know how they both got the name. My brother just brought her home and said that her name is Ashley, and I'm like, whoa, that's a coincidence. But she's only 6 weeks old, something like that. 7 weeks old.
6.5.
About 7 weeks old. She's still a really small puppy. She's a Belgian Malinois. So cute.
High energy dog.
Just look at her face. Oh. My sister.
Wolfie.
Brother.
He might be getting a YouTube channel soon.
Yeah.
And he would be ABC.
Hey guys, I'm back again. I'm at the beach. As you can see, someone's flying their quadcopter. That's so cool. Oh my gosh. Okay, so there's not a bonfire right now. I don't know where my mom is. I think she ran away. But yeah, as you can see, pretty cool. Tonight I'm going to be heading in. Okay, but look at that. I think it has a camera on it too. That is so cool. Okay. Well, anyway. So yeah, this is pretty much where I hang out part of the day. Not all day though. My friend, it's her birthday. Not my girlfriend, of course. At the beach. And yeah, so I think that's it for today's vlog. I hope you enjoyed. And yeah, stay tuned. Tomorrow there should be another one. Thank you for watching. I'll see you later. Bye.